This is how to add another admin to your Google Search Console account. Once you log into your account, select the right property, go to Settings, and click on Users and Permissions. Add user, and then you will enter the person that you want to invite as the admin. And down here, you can select the drop-down menu and select the level of access they can have on the account. For this video, we're going to select Restricted so that the newly added admin can only view the data, but they cannot change anything on the account. Once you are done, hit Add. Now, Google Search Console will send out an invitation email to that admin. Once they accept the invitation, they will be granted access to Google Search Console. And if you want to remove a user, simply go down here, select the three dots, and then hit Remove Access, and hit Remove User. This is how easy it is to add a user and remove a user from your Google Search Console account.